Redhill 90 is a G2 helicopter, Golf Echo Tango Whiskey Oscar, 2-person board outside Hangar 1. Requesting start for a trip down to the south coast with a Gatwick crossing if that's okay. Good, that's it, the right pedal, there we go, much better, there we go. Right, Redhill 90.
Redhill, clear takeoff, wind 330, 7 knots.
Clear takeoff, Redhill 90.
Redhill, contact Gatwick Tower, 124.22.
12422, I see you soon, Redhill 90. Gatwick Tower, good afternoon, it's Redhill 90 with you, squawking 3764.
Redhill 90, roger, hold at the North Terminal, report in position.
Hold North Terminal and we'll go Redhill 90.
Redhill 90, report official with landing traffic runway 26 left, it's a easy bit correction, it's a 320, a 3 mile final.
Visual traffic, Redhill 90.
Redhill 90, arrange your flight to pass above and behind that landing traffic crossing Gatwick extended approach from north to south. Surface wind is 340 at 7.
Above and behind that traffic from north to south, Redhill 90.
Charlie, holding short at Alpha 3, ready for departure.
Yeah, 4 Charlie, thanks, hold on 340 shortly.
Hold Alpha 3, be birds.
Okay, so take up the railway track now.
Mike Charlie, London Control 133.175, bye-bye.
133.175, stay with 24 Mike Charlie, bye.
Good stuff, what do you think?
Cool, that's excellent.
Easy, 3 for that hotel, Gatwick low, continue approach for runway 26. Let's see how far traffic is passing through time clock will remain south side once crossed. Building 7826 on vacating, make the first right turn onto taxiway 08 left.
Okay, let's carry on in this direction then and we'll just keep passing there. But there you go, let's go, we crossed something.
That was brilliant, that was.